The time is now. Right now. This is the hour. This is the new dawn. This is the new day. Now is the time. For nature in all her glory hath named you her king. She has named you the king. 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 Named you the king.
It's that feeling we need more of. The hate just brought me more love. I legit, my advice is better than yours was. Drunk off power and I was growing up. When all y'all treated me like an orphan. The classes turned me to daddy Warbucks. The stables full of Barbies and Porsches. The fame was only giving me more buzz. Some of my love was turned lost ones. The pain was truly blurring my thoughts up. I brought a white queen to the altar. Couldn't happen without Martin Luther King. The Kelly Price was the Kevin Costner. What's the Kelly cost? Burger is a toss-up. Is it really love when it's ball love? She would never let me fuck if I was fucked up. What you think I run it up for? The truth hurts, homie, tough love.
Name you the king. 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 Name you the king.
The hero became the villain now. We gon' run it up and go a million miles. And she ain't dealing with no shallow how. She want that Iron Man like Peter Powell. Troll, that's why people throwing in the towel. Foe, that dopeness I distribute like Al. Poe, they don't take it to the heights that I'll go. They burn out on that black and mount. Flow, they had to run but easy got it now. Go, it's over quick for them like this an outro. You know what season it is.
Metro, don't trust you on those streets. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water.
And I just wanna feel liberated, I just wanna feel liberated, If I ever instigated, I'm sorry. Tell me who in here can relate, Now if I fuck this model, and she just bleach, and I get bleach on my t-shirt, I'ma feel like I was high when I met her. We was down at Tribeca. She get under your skin if you let her. She get under your skin and I don't even wanna talk about it. I don't even wanna talk about it. I don't even wanna say nothing. Everybody gon' say something. I'll be worried if they said nothing. Remind me where I know you're from. You're looking like she owe you some. You know just what we want. I wanna wake up with you in mind. Beautiful morning.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water.
And I just wanna feel liberated, I just wanna feel liberated, If I ever instigated, I'm sorry. Tell me who in here can relate,
Till I get my money right.
I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I woke, I spent that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless. To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until they get the message. I feel the pressure under just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosby's, I ain't go to heal, man. I guess the money should've changed them. I guess I should've forgot where I came from. Sing! Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me. You can't tell me. Hold up. Bring that back one more time. I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I woke, I spent that on a necklace. I told God I'd be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless. To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested just until they get the message. I feel the pressure under more scrutiny. And what I do? Bought more jewelry, more Louis V. My mama couldn't get through to me. The drama, bitches suing me. I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosby's, I ain't go to heal, man. I guess the money should've changed them. I guess I should've forgot where I came from. Sing! Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Let up the suicide doors. This is my life, homie, you decide yours. I know that Jesus died for us, but I couldn't tell you who the side was. So I parallel double park that motherfucker sideways. Old folks talking about back in my day. Well, homie, this is my day. Class started 2 hours ago. Oh, am I late? No, I already graduated, and you could live through anything if magic made it. They say I talk with so much emphasis. Ooh, they so sensitive. Don't ever fix your lips like collagen to say something where you gon' end up apologizing. Let me know if it's a problem then. Aight, man, holla then. Sing! Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. La, la, la. La, 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 la. Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
We're gonna skate to one song only.
Let's go.
Fall so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even Pope be here.
Jackie Margilla, say I'm the illest, cause I'm something from realness. Got my niggas in Paris, and they going gorillas.
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative. It's nice. It gets the people going.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy.
Swerve.
Yo, chick, she so thirsty.
Swerve.
I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna.
Okay,
Lamborghini Mercy.
Swerve.
Yo, chick, she so thirsty.
Swerve.
I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna.
okay. Let the suicide doors up. I do suicides on the tour bus. I do suicides on a private jet. You know what that mean? I'm flying jet. I step in Def Jam building like I'm the shit. Make them give me 50 million, I'ma quit. Most rappers hate level, ain't at my waist level. Turn up the bass till it's up in your face level. Don't do no press, but I get the most press, kid. Plus, yo, my bitch make your bitch look like Precious. Something about Mary, she gone off that Molly. Now the whole party is melting like Dolly. Now everybody is moving their body. Don't sell me apartment, I'm moving the lobby. Niggas is lawyers just to feel important. You gon' see lawyers and niggas in Jordan.
That she wrote, speech to the young, speech to the progress toward. Say to them, say to the downkeepers, the sun slappers, the self-soilers, the hominy ushers, even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
Our way out of the grave, dog. Learning, speaking, praise God. Walking out the graveyard back to life. I serve, follow your word, see what you sight into the night. My theme song, my leather black jeans on, my by any means on, and I'm getting my scream on. Into the kingdom, we're watching you bring home. You see a black man with a white woman at the top floor, they gon' come to get King Kong. Middle America pack in, come and see me in my black skin. Number one question they asking, fuck every question you asking. If I don't get ran on our Catholics, here comes a conservative Baptist. claiming I'm overreacting like the black kids in Chirac bitch. 4 in the morning, and I'm zoning, they saying possessed. It's an omen, I keep it 300 like the Romans. 300 bitches, we're the chosen, baby, be living. In the moment, I've been a menace for the longest, but I ain't finished. I'm devoted, and you know it, and you know it. Ah! So follow me out, cause this shit about to go. I'm doing 500, I'm out of control. And it's nowhere to go, and it's nowhere to slow. If I knew what I knew in the past, I would have been like that in your ass. Car. 4 in the morning, and we zoning and say I'm possessed. It's the omen, I keep it 300, like the Romans, 300 bitches. Well, the chosen, baby, we living. In the moment, I've been a menace for the longest, but I ain't finished. I'm devoted, and you know it, and you know it. Ah! Baby, turn them. This is that goon shit. Fuck up your whole afternoon shit. I'm aware I'm a wolf. Soon as the moon hit, I'm aware I'm a king. Back out the tomb, bitch. Back out the room, bitch. Stop all that coon shit. These niggas ain't doing shit. Them niggas ain't doing shit. Come on, homie, what happened? You niggas ain't breathing, you gasping. You niggas ain't ready for action, action, ready for action. 4 in the morning, and I'm zoning. It's an omen, I keep it like the Romans, 300 bitches. We're the chosen, baby, we living. In the moment, I've been a menace for the longest, but I ain't finished. I'm devoted, and you know it, and you know it. Ah! So follow me up, cause this shit about to go down. I'm doing 500, I'm out of control now. But it's nowhere to go, and it's nowhere to slow. If I knew what I knew in the past, I would have been like that in your ass. God. Yo, hold on, switch up, go to all the love. Alright, nah, fuck it. Go to on site. Yeezy season approaching, fuck whatever y'all been in. Fuck whatever y'all been wearing. A monster about to come alive again. Soon as I pull up in park the Benz, we get this bitch shaking like Parkinson's. Take my number and lock it in. Indian hair, no moccasins. There's too many hoes in this house to sin. Real nigga back in the house again. Black tins all in your couch again. Black dick all in your spouse again. And I know she like chocolate, man. She got more niggas off than Cochran, huh? On sight. On sight. How much do I not give a fuck? Let me show you right now before you give it up. How much do I not give a fuck? Let me show you right now before you give it up. And a girl trying to get a nut, and a girl trying to give it up. Chop them both down. Don't judge them, Joe Brown. One last announcement. No sports bra, let's keep it bouncing. Everybody wanna live at the top of the mountain. Took it to the blue and let it sip the fountain. That's when David Drug made kick the ass. But I got her back in and put my dick in the mouth. On sight. On sight. Right now, right now, I need right now, I need right now, I need right now, I need you
trees. Blood on the
I just need to clear my mind now. It's been racing since the summertime. Now I'm holding down the summer now. And all I want is what I can't buy now. Cause I ain't got the money on me right now. And I told you to wait. Yeah, I told you to wait. So I'ma need a little more time now. Cause I ain't got the money on me right now. And I thought you could wait. Yeah, I thought you could wait. These bitches surrounding me. All want something out me. Then they talk about me. Would be lost without me. We could have been somebody. Thought you'd be different about it. But I know you not it. So let's get on with it. You could have been somebody. Said you had to tell somebody. Let's take it back to the first party. When you tried to first Molly. It came out of your body. It came out of your body. Running naked down the lobby. And you were screaming that you love me. Before the limelight tore ya. Before the limelight stole ya. Remember we were so young. When I would hold ya. Before the blood on the leaf. I know it me. Something strange happening.
From the poppin' trees. From the poppin' trees.
We could have been somebody, we could have been somebody. But was it on the first party? When you tried to first Molly? It came out of our body. We came out of our body. Hey, before they called lawyers, before they tried to destroy us. How you gon' lie to the lawyer? It's like I don't even know ya. I gotta take it back to the know ya. Fuck them other niggas cause I'm down with my niggas. Fuck them other niggas cause I'm down with my niggas. Fuck them other niggas cause I'm down with my niggas. I ride with my niggas, I ride for mine. Come on. I think y'all can make this circle even bigger right here. Open up right here, open up right here. Yeah, right there, open up. On this side, make the circle even bigger. I run it. see something? She gon' take it up the end like a ventriloquist. I mean, since Taylor Swift, since I had a rollie on the wrist, I'm the new Jesus, bitch. I'll turn water to Chris. This for what they did to Chris. They can't do shit with this. Got my kids in a fake school. We ain't. No face on that part. Face right there. Let me hear him. Let's go. I'm living in the 21st century, doing something mean to it. Do it better than anybody you ever seen do it. Green from the haters, got a nice ring to it. I guess every superhero need his theme music. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. The system broken, the schools closed, the prisons open. We ain't got nothing to lose, motherfucker, we rollin'. Motherfucker, we rollin'. With some light-skinned girls and some Kelly Rollins. In this white man world, we the ones chosen. So good night, blue world, I see you in the morning. I see you in the morning. This is way too much, I need a moment. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. Till then, fuck that, the world's ours. And they say, and they say, and they say. And the whole cast, telling me they said they can kiss my whole ass. More specifically, they can kiss my asshole. I'm an asshole, you niggas got jokes. You short-minded niggas, sauce is Napoleon. My birds is Mongolian, my ice brought the rollies. And I embody every characteristic of the egotistic. He knows, he's so fucking gifted. I just needed time alone. With my own thoughts, got treasures in my mind that couldn't open up my own vault. I tell like creativity, and honesty is honestly being crowded by these wrong thoughts. Reality is catching up with me, catching my inner child. I'm fighting for custody with these responsibilities that they entrusted me. As I look down at my diamond encrusted piece, thinking no one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. Till then, fuck that, the world's ours. And they say, and they say, and they say, and they say, and they say. Let me just hear him. Oh, let me hear him. Translation. The abomination of say oh. 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 ground. Pound. Pound.
Honey.
What you doing in the club on a Thursday? She said she only here for a girl birthday. They order champagne but still look thirsty. Proper Ella 21 but just turned 30. I know I got a bad reputation. Walk around always mad reputation. Leave a pretty girl sad reputation. Turn a fight club bad reputation. Turn the nightclub out of the basement. I turn the plane around, your ass keep complaining. How she gonna be mad on vacation? Ducking wine around all these Jamaicans. This that prom shit. This that what we do, don't tell your mom shit. This that red cup all on the lawn shit. Got a fresh cut straight out the salon, bitch.
Honey.
Close your eyes and let the world paint 1,000 pictures. One good girl is worth 1,000 bitches. Bam.
Honey.
I wanna fuck your heart and sing. After that, bring you something to drink. Step back, take it spunk on a mink. I mean, damn, what would you wrong think? Hey, you remember where we first met? Okay, I don't remember where we first met. But hey, the nigga is the first step. And hey, yo, no everybody perfect. And I know, with the hoes I got the worst rep. But hey, that backstroke I'm trying to perfect. And hey, yo, we made you Thanksgiving. So hey, maybe we can make it to Christmas. She asked me what I wish for on my wish list. Have you ever asked your bitch for other bitches? Maybe we kiss and make it to the church steps. But first, you gon' remember how to forget. After all of these long ass verses, I'm tired, you tired, Jesus wept. Why would she make calls out the blue? Now I'm awake, sleep missing you. So fly, crash lands in my room. Can't waste no time, she might leave soon. Grab your gonna run the chorus twice, then we're gonna run the track. In the night, I hear him talk. In the night, I hear him talk. Talking to me, yo. You need to watch the way you talking to me, yo. I mean, after all the things we got into. I mean, after all the things we got into. Hey, yo, I know it's some things that you ain't told me. Hey, yo, I did some things, but that's the old me. And now you wanna get me back and you gon' show me. So you walk around like you don't know me. You got a new friend, well, I got homies. But in the end, it's still so lonely. In the night, cold story. So why we up 3 a.m. on the phone? Why do she be so mad at me for? Homie, I don't know, she's hot and cold. I won't stop, won't mess my groove up, cause you already know how this thing goes. You wanna tell your friends that you're leaving me. They say that they don't see what you see in me. You wait a couple months, then you gon' see. You never find nobody better than me. Cold story. Talk, baby, let's just knock it off. They don't know about me, been through. They don't know about me and you. So I got something new to see, and you just gon' keep hating me, and we just gon' be enemies. I know you can't believe I could just leave it wrong, and you can't make it right. I'm gon' take off tonight. In the night. One last time. In the night, I hear him talk. Your sound so beautiful.
say thank you, Lord. I just want to say thank you, Lord. You've been better to us than we've been to ourselves, Father.
Now you wonder where the F be been, but I'm back to life like an EpiPen, and I'm still in the leopard skin, and check me out and check me in. See this cold nigga, 5-5 to my old self. Wake up to the new me, new me. I used to be a world star, world star. Now I make a Newsweek, Newsweek. I used to be on the 9, on the 9. Now I got two streets, College Road, the King Drive. Man, this life is a movie. 5-5 to my old self, old self. Wake up to the new me, new me. I used to be a world star. Now I make a Newsweek, Newsweek. I used to hang on the 9. Now I bought 2 streets, College Road, the King Drive. Yeah, this life is a movie.
Cause I look good, I smell good, I feel good.
And you sing good.
And make love good.
Know you wonder where the F I been. I've been going hard like a crack syringe. I've been breaking bad, now back again. Getting meal tickets, no raffling.
You see these kicks, nigga?
Made checks off the right steps. More vision and some more gleams. She used to be a lone star. Waking up to Lucy's. Bend it back, 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 bend it back, 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 back. Used to live up in the 7. Now I bought 2 streets. OST Luther King Drive. Now it's Malibu Beach. Used to be V-Live. Now I'm trapped at the Boo Beach. Yeah. Help us now. Hurry up.
And we don't have to Between the lines, when they mention me at times, no intervention was divine. Political and social tensions on the climb. Not to mention, they forget to mention how I'm swinging like sunny distant in its prime. Used to dream about this every day. The way that they live to me. I know some church born, living brave. It's worse than living in conditions made. Hurt just taking good men away. Birth is up for a mothers fighting for a living wage. But this time we're taking over. Outer space going solar. Punch drunk hungover. Punch drunk hungover.
fresh new tires, I'm still running.
It's a few things I'm overcoming. Running checks still clear, still think about it every night and day to try to stay away to keep my heart hit. Don't take this as disrespect. I'm sitting here trying to redirect her. Think about it every night and day to try to stay away to keep my heart hit. Don't take this as disrespect. I'm still here in a trifecta. It's been a long time coming. Fresh new ties, I'm still running. It's a few things I'm overcoming. Running checks still clear, still think about it every night and day, trying to stay away to keep my heart hit. Don't take this as disrespect. I'm sitting here trying to redirect her. Think about it every night and day to try to stay away to keep my heart hit. Don't take this as disrespect. I'm still here in a trifecta. To the shrink, you bet that blink. 99 promise to start with the kink. One in the pink, one in the stink. When you shave it down, is it still mink? Come sue me, me to me. Surviving, yeah, come shoot me. They wanna color me bad like a cool G. They wanna pack me up like a to me. Everybody waiting for me to say the whole thing. Okay, you the king, Burger King. I'm finna make a scene, murder scene. Cause baby, we done seen everything.
We got everything you need for you to rock your body now.
Just wanted you to know.
Swiss only let the beat rap.
All my Southside niggas that know me best, I feel like me and Taylor might still have sex. Why? I made that bitch famous. I made that bitch. Girls that got dick from Kanye West, and you see him in the streets, kid from Kanye's best. Why? They not famous. They mad they still nameless.
A man in the store trying to try his best, but he just can't seem to get
Kanye fresh, but we still hood famous. Yeah, we still hood famous.
I just wanted you to know. just wanted you to know.
I be Puerto Rican Day Parade floating. That Benz Marina Del Rey coasting. She in school to be a real estate agent. Last month I helped her with the car payment. Young and we alive. We never gonna die. I just copped a jet that found out a personal jet. Put one up in the sky. The sun is in my eyes. Woke up and felt the vibe. No matter how hard they try, we never gonna die.
I just wanted you to
Hands up. Hands up. Fingers in the air.
Come on.
I think I've had enough. Might get a little drunk. I say what's on my mind. I might do a little time. 'Cause all of my kindness is taken for weakness.
And now
5 seconds from wildin'.
let me hear 'em. Okay.
I'm just trying to morning, I swear with somebody would tell me, oh, that's all I want.
Woke up in optimism. Sun is shining, I'm positive. Then I heard you was talking trash. Hold me back, I'm about to spaz. And we about 4,
5 seconds from wildin'.
and we got
3 more days till Friday.
I'm tryna
Make it back home by Monday morning. I swear with somebody would drive me, oh, that's all I want. And I know that I'm tonight thinking, how could I be so selfish? But you called about 1,000 times, wondering where I've been. Now I know that you're tonight thinking, how could I be so reckless? But I just can't apologize. I hope you can understand.
if I go to jail tonight, promise you'll pay my bill. See, they wanna buy my pride, but that just ain't up for sale. 'Cause all of my kindness is taken for weakness. And now
5 seconds from wildin'.
and we got
3 more days till Friday.
I'm tryna
Make it back home
by Monday morning.
I swear somebody would tell me, oh, that's all I want. Wildin'. We got 3 more days till Friday. Just trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear somebody would tell me.
Southside, we gon' set this party off right. West side, we gon' set this party off right. Man, I She's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing in college. That major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents are looking at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore, 3 girls, they ain't picked the career. She like, fuck it, I just stay down here and do it. That's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new ed. Cause the baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexis. Had hair so long, it looked like weed. She cut it all off, now she look like Eve. And she dealing with some issues that you can't believe. Single black female addicted to retail as well. Yeah. And when it falls down, who you gonna call now? Yeah. And when it all falls down, man, I promise, I'm so self-conscious. That's why you won't see me with at least one of my watches. Rollies and postures that drove me crazy. Now, son, pass that for Stacey. Then I spent $400 on this. Just to be like, nigga, you ain't up on this. And I can't even go to the grocery store without some ones that's clean and a shirt for the team. It seems we live in the American dream, but the people highest up got the lowest self-esteem. The prettiest people do the ugliest thing. For the road to riches and diamond ring. We shine because they hate us, false because they the greatest. We tryna buy back our 40 acres. And for that paper, look how low we astute. Even if you in a band, you still a nigga in a cool. Come on, come on, come on. And when it falls down, who you gonna call now? Come on, come on. And when it falls down, and when it all falls down. Because the devil's trying to break me down. Y'all know what the Midwest is, young arrested, we're restless. Might snatch your necklace, and next these might jack your Lexus. Somebody tell these who Kanye West did. I walk through the valley of the shy where death is. Top floor, the view alone will leave you breathless. Try to catch it. It's kinda hard getting choked by the deck. Yeah, now check the method. They be asking us questions, harassing, arrest us, saying we eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast, huh? Y'all eat pieces of shit. What's the basis? We ain't going nowhere but got suits and cases. A trunk full of gold, rental car from Avis. My mama used to say, only Jesus could save us. Well, mama, you know I act the fool, but I'll be gone till November. I got packs to move. God show me the way because the devil's trying to break me down. The only thing that I pray is that my feet don't fail me now. And I don't think there's nothing I can do now to right my wrongs. I wanna talk to God, but I'm afraid cause we ain't spoken so long. God show me the way because the devil's trying to break me down. The only thing that I pray is that my feet right there. Next one, let's go. Yo, G, they can't stop me from rapping, can they? It's an inch for dessert. Somebody caught a pancake. I just sip the scissor. That right there could drop a same man dessert. Not to worry, Mr. A said it looks like the wizard. I didn't console my mom. Give her life support. Telling her son's own life support. And just imagine how my girl feel. On a plane scared as hell that a guy look like Emmett Till. She with me before the deal. She been trying to be mine. She a Delta, so she been throwing that dynasty sign. Niggas should be trying to be lying. I've been trying to be signed. Trying to be a millionaire high. Used 2 lifelines. In that same hospital that Biggie Smalls died. The doctor said I had blood clots, but I ain't Jamaican, man. Sorry on MTV and I ain't trying to make a band. Swear this right here, it's me and the Maker fam.
I really apologize to you right now. I'm trying to say it all, man. You get my mouth quiet, shut like down the back to the beach. You know, yeah, I have reconstructive surgery on my jaw. I look in the mirror, half of my jaw is attached to my mouth, and I look with me. I'm still here for y'all right now. This is what I got to say right here.
Yeah.
Turn me up.
Alright, next one. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke niggas. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke niggas. Let's go. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead. Cutie the bomb, met her at a beauty salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm. She said, I can tell you rock, I can tell by your charm. Bars, girls, you gotta fly. I can tell by your charm in your arm, but I'm looking for the one. Have you seen her? My psychic told me she have an ass like Serena, Trina, Gina for Lopez, 4 kids that I gotta take. All they badasses show this. Okay, get your kids, but then they got their friends. I pulled up in the bins, they all got a bin. We all went to den, and then I had to pay. If you fucking with this girl, then you better be paid. You know why? It take too much to touch her. From what I heard, she got a baby by Buster. My best friend said she used to fuck with Usher. I don't care what none of y'all say, I still love her. Hey, now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke nigga. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke nigga. Now let's go. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Say what? Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Say what? Say what? 18 years, you got one of your kids, got you for 18 years. Next one. I know some. Ho! I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, I'ma touch the sky. Now everybody jump, 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 jump. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Back when they thought King Cole or hurt the rock, boy can't got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I feel like bad boy street team. I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take them back to the plan. Me and my mama hopped in a U-Haul van. Any pessimists, I ain't talk to them. Plus I ain't had no phone in my apartment. Let's take them back to the club. At least about an hour I stand on line. I just wanted to dance. I went to Jacob an hour after I got my advance. I just wanted to shine. Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now he look at me like, damn, dog, you what I am. A hip-hop legend, I think I died in an accident. This must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in this spot, look at extra. Jump, 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 jump. Look at extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma just say, now let's take them high. Top of the world, baby. Top of the world. Let's take them high tonight. Top of the world. Let's take them high. Top of the world, baby. Let's take them high tonight. Top of the world. Next one.
Crazy, I know what you're thinking. Rapping, I know what you're thinking.
Hold on. Go to the beginning. What you doing?
This is #1 champion sound.
Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down.
Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touchdown
In London town.
Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now.
Tell the promoter we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy.
Who killing the UK?
Hey sister, it's really
back to the beginning on that one. And make sure you mute when you say our nigga dance so I can hear the audience. Like we always do it this time. I go for mine. I got the shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine. I got the shine. Now throw your hands. I'ma get on this beat, mama. I'ma push it down. Hey, 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 hey. Welcome to the good life. With niggas to sell D. Wanted to get pulled over in they new feed. The good life, the let's go on and live is free. Man, they say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY. Summertime shy. So I wrote the good, y'all pop the trunk, I pop the hood. Yo, it's got the good, and she got that ass, I got to love. Yo, it's got to be cause I'm seasoned. Haters give me them salty looks. 50 told me go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate. Let your money pile up. I go for mine. I got to shine. I go for mine. I got to shine. I'ma get on this CD, mama. I'ma put shit down. 3 years old. And what I love most, she had so much soul. She said, excuse me, little homie, I know you don't know me, but my name is Wendy and I like to blow trees. And from that point, I never blow her off. Niggas come from out of town, I like to show her off. They like to act tough, she like to tow them off. And make them straighten up their hat, cause she know they soft. And when I grew up, she showed me how to go downtown. And at nighttime, my face lit up, so astounding. I told her in my heart is where she always be. She never mess with entertainers, cause they always leave. She said it felt like they walked and drove on me. Knew I was gang affiliated, got on TV and told on me. I guess that's why last winter she got so cold on me. She said, yeah, keep making that platinum and gold for me. Let me hear. If you really care for her, then you wouldn't never hit the airport to follow your dreams. Sometimes I still talk to her, but when I talk to her, it always seems like she talking about me. She said you left your kids, and they just like you. They wanna rap and make soul beats just like you, but they just not you. And I just get through talking about what niggas trying to do, just not new. And everybody got the game figured out all wrong. I guess you never know what you got till it's gone. I guess that's why I'm here and I can't come back home. And guess when I heard that, when I was back home, every interview I'm representing you, making you proud. Reach for the stars, so if you fall, you land on the cloud. Jump in the crowd, spark your lighters, wave them around. If you don't know by now, I'm talking about Chi-Town. Next one. Stop. Flash your lights. Need some pay cuts today. Let me hear. She don't believe in shooting stars, but she believe in shoes and cars. Wood floors in the new apartment, couture from the store's department. You more like love to start shit, and I'm more the trips to Florida, order the hors d'oeuvres, juice for the water, straight from a page of your favorite author. And the weather's so breezy, man, why can't life always be as easy? I in the mirror dancing so sleazy, I get a call like, where are you, Easy? I try to hit you with the old Milwaukee, till I get flashed by the paparazzi. Damn, these niggas got me. I hate these niggas more than a Nazi. I know you love to show off, but I never thought that you would take it this far. What do I know? What do I know? Say what? I know it's been a while, sweetheart. We hardly talk. I was doing my thing. I know it was fair, baby, late, you been all on my brain. And if somebody would've told me a month ago, front and yo, I wouldn't wanna know. If somebody would've told me a year ago, it'd go get this difficult. Feeling like Katrina with no FEMA, like Martin with no Gina, like a flight with no visa, first class with the seat back, I still see ya. In my past, you on the other side of the glass. Of my memories, you seen them. I'm just saying, hey Mona Lisa, come home. home, you know you can't roam without Caesar. I need you right now. see you making it. You okay? You right now. You know I need you right now. I need you right now. You make it better. You make it better. You make it better. You make it. You make it. Make it better. You make it better. You make it better. You make it better.
Someday we gon' set it off. Someday we gon' get this off. Baby, don't you bet it off. All the kind of fentanyl. You might think they wrote you off. They gon' have to roll me off. Someday the drama be gone. And I play this and on. Sometimes I take all the shine. Talk like I drank all the wine. Years ahead, but way behind. I'm on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No half truths, just naked minds. Caught between space and time. This is not what they had in mind, but maybe someday. I've been trying to what? To
have a toast for the. Let's have a toast for the. Every one of them that. Let's have a toast for the. That I never take. Maybe I got a man. She find pictures in my email. I sent this bitch a picture of my dick. I don't know what it is to females, but I ain't too good at that shit. See, I can have me a good girl and still be addicted to the hood rats. And I just blame anything on you. At least you know that's what I'm good at. Cause I always find, I always find something wrong. You've been putting up with my just way too long. I'm so gifted at finding what I don't like. So I think it's time. Everybody have a toast on. Let's have a toast for the. Let's have a toast for the. Let's have a toast for the. Every one of them that I know. Let's have a toast for the. That I never take. Maybe I got a plan. Run away with that to do that.
Perfect.